Welcome to the crib. So I moved into this house around 2 weeks ago, finally settled in Dubai after 18 months of hell. Let's have a look inside. So I got my new palm tree, the palm tree one here. I got this planted in the first 3 days because I've always wanted a palm tree and now I've got one. In. Here's Hugo. Hugo, come in. Open kitchen area. This is pride and joy. Bought a new fridge. Again, I wanted a fridge with a screen on, so we got one. Mickey doing some work as normal. This is the living area. Nice view out onto the patio. Good little setup for the boys having a barbecue. Jack just grafting on his phone. This is quite cute, this area. This is my wife's best area of the house. So she's made like a little pantry. Have a look in there. It's like a little pantry area that she's made, look. Yeah, so my wife does a little bit of work from home. So we had her a little clinic made in here. As you can see, Bear by Gemma Louise on the wall. This is her, where she does all her skin products, etc. So yeah, this is a master bedroom where the action happens. So there's going to be some big new mansions getting built at the back there. As you can see them getting built, but it's a nice little view. There's going to be a clubhouse and that built at the back there. Nice little balcony area for me and the missus that I've built. Like a little ensuite in here, which is quite good, where the wardrobe space is. So this is where I wanted this in my new house. I wanted my own space because obviously I'm at work all the time, staring at the charts all day. And obviously I've got a screen because I love watching sport. So I wanted my own little space, and this gives me everything that I need. So I've got my little alcohol collection there. But yeah, this gives me everything I need. You know, with the kids here and that, I couldn't concentrate half the time. So yeah, it's my own little space. And I love it in here. This is where I do the work. So the main reason that we had to move house is because we had a little girl and Penelope didn't have her own bedroom. So now she's got her own little nursery, she can chill out in here, she has lots of playtime in here, so this is perfect for her. This is where the kids hang out, so we had a third floor in this house, and I wanted the kids to be separate from where we are. I've got two boys, and this is where they're chilling out. It's actually my son's birthday in a few days, so he's got a friend staying over. So this is Noah's and Tommy's area, a great big area for, this is Noah. Say hello to the camera, Noah. So this is the boys' chill out area. Again, something that we really wanted in the house where they can have their own little area. So yeah, this is their area.
Been beat down, but I don't stay low. Got mud on my jeans, still ready to go. Every scar's a story that I survived. I've been through hell, but I'm still alive. They said, slow down, boy, don't go too fast. But I ain't never been one to live in the past. I keep moving forward, never looking back, with a worn out hat and a 6-string strap. You can kick rocks if you don't like how I talk. I'm gonna keep on talking and walk my walk.